Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lan here. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday, that was June 29th at around 9 p.m. in the evening, I got to know that Indian government has banned 59 Chinese application. So in this video we're going to talk about that and possibly all the replacement for all those applications that have been banned by Indian government. So I'm going to talk about those things in this video, but before starting the video, if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you obviously like the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel because I keep on making content like this. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, there are 59 applications that have been now officially banned by the Indian government. Showing you all the list of this application. I'm sure the camera is able to record this. You can see these are all the list of applications that have been banned by Indian government. So being most popular, the TikTok, it's banned now by Indian government. So in this video I'm going to talk about the possible replacement for all those applications that we can have. So now let's first talk about TikTok. So TikTok was you could say one of the most popular video content creation platform apart from YouTube and other platforms, but I don't have personally any problem Indian content creator using them. But the kind of shady content and kind of cliched, those kind of content that we used to see on TikTok, I don't know how those things are approved, and that makes me wonder about the content creation process. So how these guys are filming the videos and all about it. So now the TikTok, it's officially banned by Indian government. So I know that lot of you guys had been using TikTok before. So now you can switch to Instagram. So now talking about the Instagram, that's an application that doesn't need any further introduction. Instagram has all those features. You can create short videos and long videos and put it on your IGTV, and also it does have filters and all. So I believe that Instagram nowadays is a growing platform and it's considered to be one of the most important social media platform. And if you come to Instagram and create this kind of videos, that would be more engaging, and also Instagram would be very soon starting monetary benefits to those creators who put videos on Instagram. So that's about that. Now talking about some of the other application, I have the list here, some of the list that I have made. So I'll be just going over the list. Now let's take a look at all the other application. Next, if we talk about all the sharing application, let it be ShareIt, Xender. So for all those application, we can start using Files, which is by Google. So the most important and the most convenient factor about this Files application, which is by Google, so of course this doesn't contain any advertisement, so you don't get to see any ads while using this application. And not only it does serve the purpose of your file transfer needs, also you can clear your junk files at the same time. It helps you organize your file system, let it be iOS or let it be Android. So it doubles up as a junk file cleaner and file explorer as well. So with all people that you guys have been using Yes Explorer for file manager, Xender, ShareIt for transferring a file from one device to another device, I would highly recommend to use Google Files, which is available on both iOS and Android. So you can seamlessly transfer your files, at the same time you can use that application as your file managerial device. Now coming to the next point, we have the applications like Cam Scanner. We all know about this application. We have been using it for a long time. So Cam Scanner is an application, for those who don't know what it does. It helps us to scan some document and also convert it to PDF. So rather than using Cam Scanner and those application, you can use this application from Adobe. The name of the application is Adobe Scan. So I have been using that application for 1 or 2 days. So I would say that's really, you should give that application a try. So it's better than Cam Scanner, and you could possibly do all the things that you have been doing with Cam Scanner. So rather than using Cam Scanner, you can use Adobe. And apart from that, for video calls, the Xiaomi video calling application, all these things, and Zoom call, we all know about the security issues that we all have been facing with all these video applications. So rather than using Xiaomi video calls, we can start using Google Meet, Cisco web meetings, and then Skype business. So these are possible replacement that you can start using. Now if you're using a smartphone like Android and iOS, also you can use Google Duo and other applications like that. So these are possibly few of the replacement that I could find on the internet, and personally I have been using them on both on my Android and iOS device. Apart from all these apps that I talked about, there are other applications like Clean Master, everything. So there are like many applications like that could do the similar thing, and you could replace all those applications with just few of the application, probably 4 to 5. So don't worry, all the applications that I talked about, I would be giving the link for all those applications in the video description below. So go ahead and check the video description, so you would be able to download all this application from Google Play Store. So personally I think it's a good and positive step by Indian government towards being self-dependent and being non-dependent on China. I know a lot of you people talk about Chinese smartphone and hardware level, but guys, you need to understand the reality and the practical facts. As of now, it's not at all possible to really cut the Chinese products and like use your like Indian smartphones. So we are not totally independent in that way. So at least from application level, if we can cut down the Chinese application and start using the replacement application, we will not be dependent on the China. But talking about the smartphones, it will take few more years to collect all the major components necessary to build a smartphone, do all these things. It will take more time. Hopefully within 5 to 10 years down the line we can achieve that as well. I'm sure that with steadily we will win this race. But that was the video for today, letting you know guys about all the possible replacement for the application those have been banned by the Indian government. So I hope you like the video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and also for more videos like this you can check out my channel. And with that being said, you guys have a good day. Bye bye.